Where the quiet water shines, gulls pass through the fading light, stone and shadow, wind and tide hold the evening for a while. Stay with the light, soft on the sea. Stay with the wind, drifting slowly. Rocks grow dark against the glow, colors fall and move below. Every wave becomes a line drawn between the day and night. Stay with the light, soft on the sea. Stay with the wind, drifting slowly. Soft on the sea, drifting slowly.